myself.
Hello, I'm Wayne, and in this lesson I teach you how to make a balloon animal dog. Now there's lots of places where you
get straight into
make
it.
a balloon animal dog, but right through and say,
Yeah.
here's a dog. And I'm trying to do this step by step, so if you're just starting out, it'll help you to succeed. Good luck.
Oh, we did 4 minutes, by the way, after all that.
Inflate the balloon with...
Alright, then two 2-inch ones, a little small one.
Do I have to hold that in first?
Oh!
Hold the twist. Holding the twist.
Hold it right there. Make a second balloon twist about 1 inch in length.
Oh, Jesus.
This will start the ear. And
Ah.
make a second one that matches the first. Bend the balloon over. Just like with the ears, you're going to twist right here.
Wow.
But instead of having a twist made in this section, you're going to actually make the twist on the fly as you make the block
On the
twist.
fly. Oh, I'm not
It's
ready
gonna
for
be a
this.
little harder, but you'll see how this works. All you do is grab here and twist.
Oh, strong twist.
Oh! Oh, no!
Now you have the front end of the dog.
Because we weren't recording last time.
You corrupted my last go.
Hey, buddy.
Uninflated end. Make your
You always do that first little...
balloon twist. You're ready to
you
make
should
your
have heard
first
there.
block twist. What you're going to do
Like
is
that? Oh, I've got to do another one
I think
again.
there's another one in there.
start the ear.
There's
and
one
you
more.
can make a second
How does he
one
get the
that
hole?
matches the first.
One more ear.
Like, will that hold?
Oh!
You're ready to make your first block twist. What you're going
One more. Yep, that'll do you. That'll do you. Thank you, that will do you.
Wait.
I have to tie this up, eh?
You just rip it off.
How's that even possible?
Is that secure? Oh no, it's going down. Well, that worked out alright.
now
That's
you
similar.
have the head of the dog.
Oh, we're at the wrong end.
No!
Another balloon twist
Oh, it's got a tail
3
nose.
inches in length.
Just roll with it.
Oh! Oh, but the head. Oh, it's a little dick.
God.
Little dick. Little dick.
Just like
Oh,
Oh, that just sounded
is
like
that
a broke.
no, it's a pop. It's a popper.
That's a Tony Popovich. Anyone out there understands the reference? Leave a comment below.
Real Madrid.
No, Australian.
Really? Wow. That's an import.
Oh, heavily Croatian.
And we just lost some viewers.
Oh, do you want to go Facebook Live? That would put more pressure on you. Oh my God!
It's not us, it's like the low quality of balloon.
I like how this is my role. That you're useless at. Like, you couldn't do this without me.
Well, you couldn't blow up the fucking balloon.
Hey, we're a team.
We're yin and yang, bro. Alright. Where are we up to?
You know the first step.
it'll help you to succeed.
The people don't. Okay.
Inflate the balloon with about an inch.
For God's sake.
That's a good one.
Too good?
Oh, too good. Ah.
Oh, the end of it stayed on.
Well, that's not important. The rest of it is what we need.
Make a balloon twist here, maybe about 2 inches. Make a second balloon twist here that represents or matches the front legs in general. And now just a little bit fold it. And now we're going to twist here to make the twist.
Oh my God. No way. No way.
I'm missing the head. I'll say that.
Can you pop it now so it can be sketch? Pop it. Hang on.